We got 1 cucumber, 2 stalks of celery, 1 green apple, half of a lime, some ginger, and then some mint. My mint would be up. Now, for the misses, we're gonna be doing cucumber, but we're gonna take the skin off, so it'll be a little bit more refreshing than the one with the skin. Grapefruit, and we got a little bit of pineapple here, already cut up. And we're also, of course, gonna do these 3 in the middle, which is the half of lime, the ginger, and the mint. Showtime. We're gonna start with the misses first. Get our little prep. Alright, so there's our misses. She's a beautiful color. I'm excited to taste this, but I'm not going to yet. I'm gonna put it in the fridge so we can chill while we make the mustard. Now I was gonna rinse the salt, but no, I don't care that much. So now for the mustard. Look at all that grapefruit. So I was like, I should just rinse it up. The mustard has a little bit of foam. I think this is because of the apple and the celery. Alright. There we have it. Our misses of our mustard. Oh, and they made about the same amount almost, which is about 14 ounces. And we're going to top it off with a little mint leaf. Oh, they went straight on down. They ain't doing nothing but floating. This came out way cuter than I expected it to come out. Let me give you guys a close up of this. Super cute. I love it. We're going to do it up for the misses. How fancy. Tap water around the room. I guess we'll do like a little mocktail situation because I'm going to pour some of this Himalayan sea salt on it. We're just going to sprinkle. It's a salty rain. And then I have these grapes. Grapes have absolutely nothing to do with this drink, but that is okay. It's just to make it cute. Oh, it's cute already. This looks so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. And topping this is off, the little mint as well. Oh my gosh, look at this. How beautiful. Let's get to tasting. Cheers to the mister. It's actually better than I was thinking. I really don't like celery juice, but that's good. And the ginger has a nice subtle kick. I really like that. See what's going on with her. That's so fresh. That is so refreshing. And I love the salt. I shouldn't have did that because I'm bad when it comes to salt, but oh my gosh. Y'all gotta make these. I love how they have the same concept, but subtle differences that just make them so much different. I did the thing with these. I like these. I love these. These glasses are mad cute. These are supposed to be dessert cups. And look at this. They're what? I don't even bake. So that's all we have for our juicing video today. The Mr. and the Mrs. were a success. If you have not subscribed already, please make sure that you do so before you go, and I'll see you guys in the next video.